TENS, electrical stimulation. This is where things get a little sci-fi. TENS stands for transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. Here's how it works. It stimulates sensory nerves. It competes with pain signals called gate control theory, and it distracts the brain away from pain. Some studies show TENS can reduce pain perception, but results vary widely between individuals. It's best used during flare-ups, before movement or exercise, and when pain feels electric, shooting, or burning. A TENS unit consists of a small handheld battery-powered pulse generator. It generates the electrical pulses. Adhesive electrode pads. It transmits the current. And lead wires that connect the electrode pads to the pulse generator. This device sends low-voltage electrical currents through the skin to stimulate nerves for pain relief. It usually has adjustable settings for intensity, pulse rate, and duration. A decent home use one will cost you about $25 to $35. You can get them on Amazon, Walmart, TikTok Shop, just about anywhere. But safety first, and this is very important. Never place electrode pads directly on the spine or on any bone. It is for muscle only. Do not use if you have a pacemaker, ICD, a defibrillator, or any electrical implants, as its electrical signals can interfere with your device's functionality. Never place pads, the electrodes, on the front of your neck, on your eyes, or over any cancer or tumor sites, or on broken or sensory impaired skin, like open wounds or infections. And never use if you have DVT, deep vein thrombosis, or thrombophlebitis, because it could lead to dislodgement, causing an embolism. Alright, for everyone else, here's how and where to place the electrodes. First, clean the area. You can use rubbing alcohol for this. It should be free of oils, lotions, and sweat. Place the pads on your lower back muscles in pairs, and also use on your glutes, your low back, and your hamstrings. Just a quick reality check. Remember, relief is usually temporary, and it doesn't change the underlying mechanics. Think of TENS like noise-canceling headphones for your nervous system. And you're going to use this for about 10 minutes per area, with at least an hour in between sessions.